sobrang daming paraan para kumita ng 6 digits per month. Pwede kang kumita dito sa pagbebenta online through affiliates. Pwede kang kumita sa networking. Pwede kang magbenta ng insurance. Pwede ka rin maghanap ng sobrang daming part-time jobs or freelancing para magawa yun. And there are a lot of vehicles that you can do that. So I'm not gonna sell you on one thing na ito yung kailangan mong gawin para kumita ng 6 digits, but you need to find the right vehicle that is fit for you. So paano mo mahanap yung tamang vehicle sa'yo? So you need to find at least one person that you look up to na you could say that you want to have the 3 things na meron tong taong to. Number 1 is the results. So if let's say gusto mong kumita through content creation, if meron sila nung result na hinahanap mo, then check. Pangalawa is lifestyle. Kasi marami may result naman na ganun, but you don't want their lifestyle. So what lifestyle do you want? Gusto mo ba 5 a.m. ka gumigising? Gusto mo ba puyaters ka pag kumikita nun? Posible din yan. Depende yan sa vehicle na gusto mo. Gusto mo ba kumakausap ng tao o gusto mo ba nasa computer ka lang? Depende yan sa lifestyle na gusto mo. And pangatlo is values. You need to find a vehicle, okay? And the person that has the same values that is aligned sa'yo. And iba-iba yan per tao. I suggest you really be clear with your values first. Ano talaga yung mga pinapahalagahan mo? Mahalaga sa'yo na mag-work from home ka, then find something that can help you work from home. Kung mahalaga sa'yo na kumakausap ng mga tao, then find a vehicle that is aligned to do that. Whatever your values is, find a vehicle that aligns to those 3.